Life is full of moments where we feel hopeless. Minsan may mga pangarap tayong namamatay, relasyon na nasisira o sitwasyong parang wala ng pag-asa. We ask, nasaan si Lord? But in John 11, Jesus gives us a powerful answer. Martha was grieving the death of her brother Lazarus. She thought it was too late, but Jesus looked at her and said, I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, even though they die. John 11:25. Ito ang totoo. Jesus doesn't just bring hope. He is hope. Hindi siya late, hindi siya absent. Kahit sa mga moments ng grief at doubt, He is working. When Jesus arrived at Lazarus' tomb, He did something shocking. He wept. John 11:35. This shows us that Jesus understands our pain. But He didn't stop there. He called out, Lazarus, come out. John 11:43. And just like that, Lazarus walked out of the grave. Mula sa kamatayan, nagkaroon ng buhay. And this is the gospel. We are dead in sin, unable to save ourselves, but Jesus came, took our punishment, and defeated death on the cross. He rose again, offering new life to all who believe in Him. Hindi lamang kapatawaran ang ating natanggap natin ang isang bagong buhay. Maybe today, may Lazarus ka rin sa buhay mo. A dead dream, a broken heart, a heavy burden. But Jesus is still the resurrection and the life. Walang imposible sa Kanya. Are you ready for a comeback? Jesus is calling you out of the grave.